Dog vs. Cat Videos, Episode 1. Ooh, good save.
All this mess. Hugo did it.
Can't really cover this one up, so might as well blame
You
someone.
have nothing to do with it, Huxley.
Totally busted.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
This dog's poker face is not good.
We left and there was still food on this plate. Who ate it? Couldn't have been you, huh? No?
Smooth.
What is this? What is this?
Maybe a big smile will hide the guilt, right?
Was this you?
Bigger smile.
Did you poop?
Not sure hiding is going to work.
Here, I'm just gonna put my shoe on.
No covering this up, so the total cute submission technique will be played. Total pro. He does not take commands.
Hey, stay.
Impressive. What was that? Whoa!
Can you guys just make sure my dog doesn't eat my steak for me, please? Thanks.
No ways that dog is going to leave it. She was gone for almost 2 minutes. That is impressive. That's never gonna work with these cats.
No.
What the fluff? Oh, that is cute. No way. Did she just twirl for herself? That twirl was unsophisticated. Oh my goodness, fart dogs the same? And everyone synchronized. How? Must be a very bad hair day.
Who won this episode, dogs or cats?
Catch all the episodes at What the Fluff TV.